Hey, one and all, glad you're here to read again. Today, we are going to look at some phonics. Let's look at the short A sound and the short U sound. These two sounds are easily confused. That's where you may use one for the other. Have you done that before? Okay, so let's go ahead. The short A sound says ah, ah, ah. Let's hear you say it. Ah. The short U sound says uh, uh, uh. Let's hear you say it. Uh. Let's now look at the short A at the beginning of the word. We hear ah, ah, n, t, ah, n, t. Let's blend it together. The N and the T can go together to say nt as an ending consonant blend. Let's go ahead now and put all three songs together. A, n, t, a, n, an, t, ant. The word is ant. Let's look at the A sound in the middle. K, a, k, a. Let's now blend them together. K, a, ka, ka, p, cup, cup, cup. What color is the cup? Let's hear you blend it now. K, a, ka, p, cup. All right, in this one, we are going to see the A sound in the middle and also at the end. P, A, p, A. As you can see, we can split this word in two parts. And the two parts, they have the same songs. Let's look at it. P, A, pa. And this part, do you see that the letters are the same? The songs are also the same. P, A, pa, 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 papa, papa. And you may call your grandfather or your granddad, you may say papa. Let's now look at the words with the sound. Uh, uh, uh. Uh, uh, up, up, up. And we can hear the sound at the beginning. Up, up. Let's look at the next one. In this one, we can see the sound in the middle. S, mm, s, mm. Let's blend it together. S, s, mm, s, mm, sun, sun, sun. Okay, most of the times when U comes at the end of an English word, the sound would be oo. That's where it makes a long oo sound. You can hear oo. Or in some cases, you may hear you. But the short sound, hardly or ever likely would you hear the short U at the end of an English word saying a. Alright, so let's call all the words. Can you remember this one? A, nt, ant. How about this one? K, up, cup. A, a, pa, a, papa. A, up. S, a, s, n, sun. It was so good reading the short A and short U songs with you today. Let's hear you say them. Can you remember them? A says, that's short A. Ah, and U says, that's short U. Great job. All right. Thank you so much for watching and for participating with me. I hope to see you in the next video soon.